Okay, so today we're in Downers Grove, Illinois. We're gonna tour this beautiful new construction farm-style custom home, and it was recently completed. And one thing I want to note about it, beautiful front wraparound porch, huge lot. And today, to help us with this tour, Trevor from John Greene, he's gonna take us through. And Trevor, real quick, can you tell us about the location?
Absolutely. So we're right here in lovely Downers Grove. Your walk to the Fairview train station, very close proximity to the downtown area, and then very easy access to interstates.
What about the specs of the home? Can you give us a rundown of what we're about to tour today?
So the home is a farmhouse style home, as you mentioned, 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, does have an unfinished basement, and one of the really cool features in addition to the home is the lot. We've got 100 on the width and 228 on the depth, so you could easily add a pool in the future. Really quick, before we do the tour, I'd love to introduce you to the builder, Adam.
Hey Adam, I have a couple quick questions for you. So I was on your website and I saw the phrase high performance homes. What does that mean?
Basically it entails all the energy efficiencies that we have throughout our home that sets us apart from other homes. One of them is the thermal envelope, so the whole home is wrapped in a rigid and R5 foam. We also spray foam all the walls and ceilings throughout, and then an all LED lighting package, tankless water heaters, and an upgraded HVAC system. Typically, an average home like ours, you'll save at least 30 to 50% on all utilities.
I also saw high tech. What are some of the things that are included under high tech?
Basically, we just pre-wire the home, so we've got a speaker system, pre-wired. Ring doorbells are standard. We also include Nest thermostats throughout the home. It's ERV ready in the garage, so if you do have an electric car, we set it up for you. That's another one of our standards as well. Those are a couple of the things, but it's all pre-wired and ready for smart home automation if you'd like to go that far.
Here we have an office. It's set and staged as an office, but it completely can function as a full bedroom as well. It does have a closet, and then to complement that, you do have the first floor full bath. In addition to that, you've got the French doors that open up to the front porch with the upper transom light, which is just phenomenal in terms of bringing in natural light.
You can see all the detail he puts into his homes. I mean, look at this bathroom here, the tile, the vanity. I mean, beautiful work here.
Yeah, in addition, you get the shiplap on the wall, the subway tile. And the vanity is super cool too with the natural hickory.
That's sharp. That is sharp. And then here we have the great room.
Really open feel. You got 9-foot ceilings, transom windows bringing in additional natural light.
So it looks like over here we have a direct vent fireplace. It's got a beautiful flame pattern. And man, it's really kicking off some good heat here. And here we have the kitchen. And Trevor, right away I noticed this island.
Oh, it's dynamite. So it's a smoky blue finish. You can see too, you got the brushed hardware on there, and then the quartz top.
Hey Adam, since you're here, can you tell us real quick about the quartz countertop?
They're all made to look like natural stone. They are not though. These are man-made, engineered quartz countertops. No maintenance, sanitary, some of the best you can get. I mean, this color here is called statutory venato, I believe. Manufacturer couldn't tell you, it might be master quartz or something, but if you look up statutory venato, that's what we got here.
In addition to the brushed gold hardware, to complement it, you have awesome pendant lighting over your island that also has the brushed gold finish. You've got professional grade Gen Air appliance package. The cabinets are made by local cabinet company, Breaker Cabinetry.
So all custom.
Everything custom.
Beautiful. I just love the height of these cabinets, especially those glass uppers.
Oh, they're phenomenal. You also have the lighting that's in the upper cabinetry along with the LED lighting for the down lighting below the cabinetry.
And this would be your pantry. Let's pop upstairs. Ooh, I'm loving the look of these rustic tiles. And this is bedroom 2. And this is the Jack and Jill bath. It's connecting bedroom 2 and 3. And here's the second floor laundry. Beautiful decorative porcelain tiles here. And this is your master suite. Wow. Trevor, this is a gorgeous master bath.
We love how it turned out. The brushed gold fixtures continue into the master bath. You will see too, both vanities were also done by Breaker Cabinetry. And then you do also have the freestanding tub with the brushed gold tub filler as well. The tile is porcelain, and you do have a gorgeous brushed gold Carrera inlay as well to complement.
Oh, that is spectacular. And these floors, what are these floors? Porcelain as well?
The floors are porcelain, yes.
But the graphics on this porcelain tile is amazing. I love what they're able to accomplish. So Adam, it appears to me that you put a lot of effort and energy into make sure these homes are done right.
Yeah, we do. I mean, it all goes back to the tagline, you know, future focused, high performance luxury homes. Future, we're thinking about, you know, solar panels of the future, electric cars of the future, caring about the future, you know, live for today but plan for tomorrow. We try to incorporate all that into our homes. You know, the high performance, I explained that, the thermal envelope, the insulation, the HVAC system, LED lighting. And luxury, as you walk through the home, it will speak for itself. You can see the luxury. We take pride in our finishes, we do great work, and that it really stands out from the rest. You know, that's where we put our time, effort, and you encompass all three of those and you have one of the best built homes, I believe, in the country.
Well, hey, I appreciate the tour. Thank you for the time.
Yep.
And we'll talk to you
Sean.
soon.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate you coming out.
Well, that is it for today's tour. A big thanks to both Trevor and Adam for giving us that tour. Really appreciate it. I'll put a link below with their information so you can reach out to them. Other than that, I'll see you next tour.